What's good, y'all? It's your boy, Little Roy, aka Little Roy TV. We back with a third video that we recorded. Every time I do these number videos, like when I number it, say, oh, it's my third vid, fifth vid, I never really upload it in order. So, welcome. If you're new here, we're doing a free giveaway. All you have to do is subscribe. As soon as we hit 1K subs, it's an absolutely free giveaway. Just subscribe, share the video, get more people to join the squad. You see the title. This kind of released, kind of didn't release. So it's like an unreleased. I don't know. Either way you put it, let's get right into it. I got a whole bunch of more vids to film. So subscribe, like this video, comment whatever, because I also respond to all my comments. So comment whatever you want. And at the same time, follow me on Instagram. Also check out the main channel. All those two links will be down below in the description. So let's get right into it. You dig? So off rip, it's a preschool size, I believe. 1.5, aka 1.5. But let's get right into it. Unreleased, release, navy blue, dunk high, right there, in the flesh. Mind you, this is not mine, so don't come at me like, oh, how the hell you got a preschool, not a GS, or whatever the case is. I don't know. It's a preschool, so you gotta deal with it. Regular, orange box. But yes, this is unreleased. It looks literally just like the Panda highs, and whatever highs they dropped, the Syracuse, whatever it was. Right here. Navy blue and white. Really not too much to say besides this shoe is small as hell. I could really, like, squeeze it. But, yeah, they should be coming out, what, next week on the Sneakers app? I don't know if they open reservations for these yet. But, literally there's no difference. If you got the Pandas, cool. Maybe you want a navy blue pair, then go out and get them. They shouldn't be going for too much, because a lot of people don't even like navy blue compared to black or red or blue. But navy blue is okay, I guess. I'm just looking at it. It's really not much to say. You got the typical navy blue bottom. I thought it was black. I was say that's gonna throw the whole shoe off, but you gotta really look with the lighting. But yes, it's a navy blue bottom. Really nothing on the back. Tongue is just navy blue and white. Smells DS because it is DS. But when they come out next week or so, are you guys going for these? I really want to know in the comments. Do you like them? Are they basic? Do you care about them? Are you going for personal, or more or less would you go for resale? I mean, to me, honest, I probably will go for them just because it has to be some type of profit, right? I don't know if they're dropping the women's exclusive. Well, if it's a PS preschool, that means it should be a full-size run, but who knows? They might drop a women's only or men's and GS and all the whole full-size run. But sometimes they drop things weird, and I don't really know the sizing. But this is a preschool, so next week when they drop, or whenever they drop, or they push back, because they've been pushing dates back for a lot of sneakers, specifically Jordans and maybe Dunks, I don't really know. But let's get the quick thumbnail that I didn't realize I didn't do, but yeah. Boom. Either way, let me know in the comments. Are you going for these? Are they a brick? Do you care about them? Are you trying to take a L? Or are you trying to take a W? Are you getting them for personal, or are you guys getting them for resale? Let me know in the comments. I will be answering them. Let me know what your thoughts is on these. Are these basic as hell, and you don't find no purpose in these navy blue dunk highs because you got the Pandas already? Let me know. Either way, this video shouldn't be too long because it's a preschool shoe, and at the same time, there's really not much to say about the shoe. It's literally navy blue and white of a regular dunk high, so it's really not much to really say. And that's it for this video with these. So that's how it looks. Shout out to the Small Feet gang. Literally 1.5. So let me know what you guys think down below. And that's it. Let's get into the next video. I'll see you guys over there on the next vid. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button. On our way to 300 plus. At the same time, we're trying to do a free giveaway, so make sure you subscribe and get to 1,000. And yeah, if you're watching to this point, ladies, hit my DM on Instagram. Link is down below. See you guys in the next vid. Thank you for watching. Your boy Little Roy is out.